Science time. If you have questions, Kim's here.
Kim is
if you have any
standing
questions
here,
about
that's
science,
all.
just give Kim a call. Tom and I are just going to hang out here.
You got toys. That's what I like.
I love this time of year. This is one of those where I get to walk the aisles. People are asking about, what toys? Great STEM toys, STEAM toys, everything else. And there is a theme this year that is amazing. When I mention a store, then everybody else gets bent out of shape by another store. So when I say Walmart, I mean Target, Walmart, all mass market stores, and then all the small little independent stores that we have. They're called specialty retailers. Science is huge right now.
Okay.
I think it can be a little confusing because you hear STEAM a lot. STEM.
Right.
What's a STEM toy? What's a STEAM toy? And a lot of time we think, if you don't know the two, it's science, technology, engineering, and math, STEM. It really is just another way of saying science.
STEAM?
That's art. So it's science, technology, engineering, art, and math. Then there's STREAM, science, technology, reading, engineering, art, and math. I call that school. So I used to teach it when we called it science. So I got to show you some themes.
Yeah, let's see.
But the theme is this, not tech. So the theme is not, let's take our phone and make it just do a whole bunch of things.
It's not a science
We're not
app.
seeing that,
Right.
no. And a lot of people thought that STEM toys had to do with motors and stuff. And you're going to see with this collection here that I got over the weekend. Look over, starting over here on this side here, a STEAM toy. It says a STEAM toy up at the very top for girls, but I don't think it's just for girls. But you can make lip balm out of this kind of thing. It's a chemistry kit with kind of a slant that way. So again, trying to do things, it's messy. And the bottom here is make your own perfume, which is kind of a cool thing. You get a little distillery and you make perfume. And
I've actually always wondered how that happens.
So
sure. Yeah, that's very cool. Fun.
But again, get your hands in it and ooey gooey and kind of messy. Kim, you're on bath bombs right now, and so these are.
So
who wouldn't want to make a bath bomb? Of course you would. You drop it in and it fizzes and it's all over the place.
And it smells wonderful.
But it starts into this whole thing of gooey and ooey. Hold out your hand here. Just reach in here and play with that. That'll be fun for you.
Yeah, that's...
Okay, so just play. So we're seeing slime. Oh my gosh, we're seeing a lot of slime. And we're seeing slime in buckets as well. Oh, there you go. No,
I made a mess.
Let's keep on going. You can keep playing. And Tom, I have yours. But I'm seeing more of it already made. It used to be make your own slime. And now it's, here you go. Play with this and put it back into the jar. It's going to get us into trouble with you playing with that. And this way.
Is the key to learn something without knowing you're learning something?
Yeah, part of these smart toys are, oh my gosh, we're going to get in trouble. I can tell already.
I
know.
You're making the sounds. I knew
the sounds. Part of it is, you know how kids sometimes like to play with the box more than they like to play with the toy itself? Yeah. Not this stuff, because look, it's just naturally ooey and gooey. This is a bag. You just buy this. It's called hydrogel slime, and it's just, Tom, I knew it was a mistake giving you this.
So what do you have to add to that then?
Nothing. So it's a bag of snot.
Oh, it's already,
you get snot in a bag, and it's $7, and kids love it more than life itself. Remember the whole controversy with slime? Do you remember that? We did it here on 9 News.
Yes,
First time I ever did slime on 9 News was 18 years ago with you, and Jack was just sitting here and playing with slime. And so now it took oh, I'm such a kid. I'm such a bad kid. It took 18 years for it to be popular, but remember everybody was yelling about borax. Can't have borax, and so they came out with use contact lens solution and baking soda. Yikes. Maybe the worst idea I've ever heard. And then guess what? Elmer's now came out with magical liquid. Guess what's inside magical liquid?
Magic.
Borax. Borax. So now you can go to Elmer's. Look at all of these that are here that you get to play with. But Elmer's has now come out with all the clear stuff. So you get, we never before had clear glue or glue with glitter that was fantastic. Stuff from Discovery, of course. Lots of stuff that you're going to see popularized on YouTube. So like the 6 Science series is all on YouTube, which is fantastic as well. So you're seeing a connection.
What are you up to this week? You're traveling
just
again,
hanging
Ellen?
out. Just hanging. Oh, we get to go to Ellen. We get to go back. And so that's very, very fun. We're back on Friday. Ellen has a guest host. It's Ellie Kemper from The Office and Unbreakable Kimmy Schmidt. And Ellen said, if I picked some demos, would you do them for her? Shh, Ellie has no idea what's in store for her.
Oh, Lordy.
No idea. This, we've been on this 11 years, and so she's picked some of her favorites over the last 11 years, and it's going to be a mess.
Friday at 3 o'clock?
Friday at 3 o'clock, absolutely. And in the meantime, I'm going to leave that on your desk, because that will be just a hit in the newsroom. All right?
No, that's
going to be a hit.
Mr. Popularity.
I know.
Thanks, bud.
Thank you very much. Thank you. Snot in a bag. I think that's what that's.
But they also have a thing where you can make your own, right?
I know. Oh yeah, you make it yourself, absolutely. But the whole thing, look at this. Every single one of these is ooey, gooey, slimy, slippery.
Find a young boy with the flu.
I know. Well, that's how it goes. That's it.